In our earlier video on the Canon EOS R1, we addressed and disproved a number of widely held rumors. We're getting some confirmed spec leaks from credible sources now that things have calmed down. We'll go into these confirmed specifics and go through our anticipations for the new Canon EOS R1 in today's video. The new addition to the EOS R1 camera will be its impressive OLED panel located on the back. Now, according to sources, this screen will be larger than any other currently available, potentially measuring 4 inches. This substantial display aims to provide photographers with a rich and immersive viewing experience. Canon's goal with the EOS R1 is to offer the best electronic viewfinder experience. The EVF is expected to have the highest resolution on the market, offering photographers a clear and detailed view of their subjects. Moreover, the EVF is likely to have extremely high refresh rate options and eliminate blackout, ensuring a seamless shooting experience. Some other notable leak specifications of the Canon R1 include the use of a variation of the LP19 battery, dual CF Express card slots, and the potential for a customizable color top-down display. There are also rumors about all-new autofocus system, possibly featuring quad-pixel autofocus technology, which has been the subject of numerous patterns, but at this point, who knows? And when it comes to resolution, Canon seems to have found the perfect balance with the EOS R1. It's expected to offer around 45 megapixel to resolution. That strikes a good compromise between image quality and practicality. This choice is especially relevant in professional settings like sports photography, where image transfer and processing fast are essential factors to consider. While the inclusion of a global shutter in the EOS R1 is still uncertain, there are speculations that this technology might be featured. Having a global shutter would address the rolling shutter issues often encountered in certain shooting scenarios, particularly when using electronic shutters. This would be a significant upgrade for the EOS R series. Information regarding the video feature of the EOS R1 is currently limited, but there's speculation that the development of the camera's video capabilities and firmware will be handled by the CinemaOS team. This raises expectations for exceptional video performance from the EOS R1. Now, based on our discussion so far, most of the information seems logical and reliable. It's highly likely that the resolution of the EOS R1 will be higher than the R3, but lower than the R5C. The presence of dual CFE card slots is also almost certain. The only thing that remains debatable is the inclusion of a global shutter. While it would be a strong marketing move, this might take some time to perfect. It's also interesting to consider the implementation of AI technology and machine learning for autofocus and other functions. It's important to note that the term global shutter often appears in these rumors alongside an all-new autofocus system. However, it is difficult to determine the accuracy of such claims as they're purely speculative. If faster readout speeds of stacked BSI sensors can effectively eliminate the rolling shutter effect, the main practical advantage of a global shutter would be the ability to synchronize with flash at all shutter speeds. Developing a global shutter is likely to be costly, and Canon usually prefers to let others test it first. So, it's probable that Canon will opt for stacked BSI technology. Sony might be the first to introduce a camera with a global shutter. The impact on the dynamic range is estimated to be around half the stop, which is not a significant concern for most users. Now, enough with the nerdy stuff. Let's discuss when it'll arrive. The common belief is that its announcement will be timed to coincide with the 2024 Olympics in Paris. So take it with a grain of salt. Nothing is confirmed yet. The Canon R1 will be Canon's new flagship. The price will be $5,000 to $8,000, and the specs really justify that higher price tag. What do you think, then? Please share your opinions in this section below. Consider becoming a subscriber for more videos like this, and as always, thank you for watching. I'm grateful.